Assalamualaikum and hello madam. So today we are excited to present to you our group project, which is the laundry system. But before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves briefly. So I am Aisha Sofia Mikazazli. You can call me Aisha.
Hi, my name is Nur Damia and you can call me Mia.
Madam, my name is Wan Nur Ain Amalina and you can call me Ain.
Our project, the laundry system, is designed to improve convenience for students and efficiency for admin. In this system, students can easily check the availability of washers and dryers before using them. After logging in, they will see a list of machines along with their prices. When selecting a washer, they can choose an available machine, review the price and decide whether to add detergent and softener or not. Payments are made online, and once the transaction is complete, the system displays a thank you message, giving students the option to continue or exit. For admin, the system provides essential management tools. By logging in with their admin ID, they can monitor the usage of washers and dryers, track inventory, and decide whether to restock the inventory or not. Overall, this system enhances the laundry experience by offering real-time availability, updates, cashless payment, and efficient inventory management. With this project, we aim to make laundry services more accessible, organized, and user-friendly for both student and admin.
To ensure the success of this project, we have concluded the following objective, which is the first one is to show the total price. This system, it will calculate and display the total amount a user needs to pay, and it will including any additional selections such as detergent and softener. The second one is to make laundry availability visible, which is students can easily check which washer and dryer are available before making a selection. It will reduce the waiting times and improving efficiency. The third one is to select and update machine status. Once a user selects a machine, the system will update its status in real time. It will ensure that other users see accurate availability. And the last but not least is to track and remaining detergent softener. Admin will be able to monitor inventory levels. This will ensure that detergent and softener are always stocked when needed. So by achieving this objective, our system will create a seamless and efficient laundry experience for both student and admin. Next, we will discuss the IPO, which is input, process, and output model of our system.
First and foremost, the system collects user input to determine their role and the services they want to use. For input, we have user type, student name, student ID, staff ID, machine type that both dryer and washer use the same variable and restock. Next, for process, we have general processing, which are to validate user role, display menus based on user type, and redirect to the appropriate function. While for student processes, the program will display available washers or dryers, validate machine selection, calculate the price, decrease detergent and softener if purchased, mark the selected machine as in use. For admin processes, the program will display number of washers and dryers are in use, display detergent and softener stock, and restock inventory if requested. The last one, output. For general output, the program will display a welcome message and invalid input messages. While for student output, the program will display list of available washers or dryers, total price for selected service, and confirmation of payment success. Next, for admin processes, display current usage status of washers and dryers, inventory stock levels, and restocking confirmation message.
So now let's go over the flowchart for our laundry service system. This flowchart visually represents how the system works, from user interaction to system process and decision-making step. So let's start by looking at the first flowchart, which represents the system logins and user selection process. The system begins with a start point, followed by function prototype that define key function used later in the program. Next, the system will display a welcome message and ask whether the user is a student, an admin, or they want to exit. If the user chooses X, the system exits and display a thank you message. And if the user is a student, the system prompts them to enter their name and student ID. If the user is an admin, they are asked to enter their staff ID. After authentication, students are directed to the student menu and admins are taken to the admin dashboard. So now, let's move on to the second flowchart, which focuses on the student menu and the system. After logging in, students are greeted with a welcome message, and with a welcome message, it will display in their name and ID. Student has two main options to use a washer or a dryer. They enter their choice accordingly. If they select a washer, the system calls the use washer function. If they choose a dryer, the use dryer function is executed. If they enter an invalid option, they are prompted to select again. So now next, this flowchart details how students interact with washer. The system displays washer types with their respective price and prompts the user to make a selection. The system checks if the selected washer is available. If available, the student can proceed. If not, they are asked to try again later. Next, students are asked if they want to add detergent and softener. The total price is updated based on their choice. Finally, the total price is displayed. The payment is processed Finally, the total price is displayed, the payment is proceed, and a thank you message is shown. Next, this flowchart details how students interact with washer. The system displays washer types with their respective price, and it will prompt the user to make a selection. The system checks if the selected washer is available. If available, the student can proceed. If not, they are asked to try again later. Next, students are asked if they want to add detergent and softener. The total price is updated based on their choice. Finally, the total price is displayed, the payment is processed, and a thank you message is shown. First flowchart is actually quite similar to the washer process but focused on dryers. Students can choose their preferred dryer type, and the system displays the price. The system checks if the selected dryer is available and allow the user to proceed if it is. After confirming their choice, the total price is displayed, payment is processed, and a thank you message will appear. So now, let's discuss the admin dashboard, where the owner can monitor and manage system resources. Once logged in, the admin are taken to the dashboard, where they can see the number of washer and dryer are used, and along with the detergent and softener stock levels. If detergent or softener levels are low, the system asks the admin if they want to restock. A confirmation message is displayed after restocking is successful. The final flowchart focuses on how the system updates machine availability. Whenever a student uses a machine, the system updates the status by setting the selected machine's availability to not available. Once the wash and dryer cycle is finished, the machine is marked as available again. This flowchart provides a clear and structured representation of how our laundry service system operates. They cover the entire process of user logging, machine selection, payment, inventory management, and a system updates. With this flow, both student and admin can efficiently use the system for their laundry needs.
Next, we are going to walk through the sample output of our laundry service system. I will demonstrate how our college laundry system works. This system allows users to use washers and dryers, while admin can monitor and restock inventory. I will go through one by one to show how the system functions. First, I will show a student using a washer. When I run the program, it will welcome the user and ask if they are a student or an admin. So I enter S for student. Then I enter my name as Nurul Damia and my student ID. The system then welcomes me and presents the student menu. I choose option 1 to use a washer. The system asks me to select a washer type. I choose A for a 10 kg washer which costs 5 ringgit. The system displays available washers. As you can see, all the washers are all available. So I select washer 2 and the system asks if I want to add detergent and softener for 3 ringgit. I choose Y for yes. So the total price is now updated to 8 ringgit. The system confirm my payment and thank me for using the service. So if you check back at available washer menu, the washer that I already used is noted as not available. Plus, if you choose the not available washer, it will give you an error message. Now this completes the process of using a washer. Next, let's move on to the dryer. After logging in as student, I choose option 2 to use a dryer. The system then asks me to select a dryer type. So I choose B for a 30 kg dryer which costs 8 ringgit. The system displays available dryers and all the dryers are available. So I decided to select dryer 1 and the system will confirm my selection and show the total price of 8 ringgit and confirm my payment. Now let's move on to the admin menu. First, I enter A for admin to log in as an admin and input my ID staff as A98765. Next, the system displays how many washers and dryer are in use as well as the stock of detergent and softener. The system asks if I want to restock the detergent and softener. So I enter Y and the system confirms that the inventory has been successfully restocked. So I have shown how students can use washers and dryers and how admin can check and restock the inventory. This system ensures that students have a smooth laundry experience while admin can efficiently manage resources.
To conclude, the DOS learning system is designed to be user-friendly and efficient for both students and admins. For student functions, students can easily navigate the system to use washers and dryers. They can select machines, check availability and pay for services. Additionally, we have the option to add detergent and softener for an extra charge, making the process even more convenient. Next, on the admin side, the system simplifies machine and inventory management. Admins can track machine usage, monitor detergent and softener stock levels, and restock when necessary. The admin's dashboard provides a clear overview of the entire system, ensuring smooth operations. Overall, the system streamlines the laundry process for students while giving admins full control over machine and inventory management. With a few improvements, it has the potential to become an essential tool for colleges, making learning services more efficient and hassle-free.